What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum, currently sitting at $1.29, up 1.2 on the day, seeing a market cap of 11.11 billion. Wow, lucky number. 24-hour volume 618 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Big, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses. This is where I do the majority of my trading, or Bybit, up to 30K in bonuses. Tell me your sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into Matic. So I still think there's a high potential that this is a correction, and we came down in ABC and a wave W. We're pushing up in a wave X. So potentially that could be your wave A. You had your wave B pullback, and right now you're putting in the wave C. So you have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 to the upside, pull back in a 4, put in a final wave 5 to complete the wave X before potentially coming down in a wave Y. If we were to break the previous high at $1.35, I may change my viewpoint, but it could still be a correction even if we break that previous high. So we'll have to see if we can get back above $1.35. But personally, I think it's likely that we get rejected before then, create a lower high and roll over. We'll have to see how that plays out. As you can see, we're pushing back up to that level of resistance. Money has not been flowing back in as price has been pushing back up, which is a bearish signal. And we still have the divergence on the RSI, so we may just be coming back up to test about $1.31, that resistance there. Before, it looks like you could put in a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern, small left shoulder, head, potential right shoulder before rolling over. We'll have to see how that plays out. Ethereum is in our wave 4 pullback zone, but I think it's going to invalidate it. Already is very, very close to doing so. And I think it's more likely now that we're pushing up in a wave B, because I can count a nice 5-wave move. Here's a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. There's your wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. To complete a wave A, you'd pull back in a wave B and potentially push up in a wave C. But if we fail to break above 1578 and hold it as support, then it could potentially still be a wave 4 if we do start to turn around from this level. But this does look like a 5-wave move to the upside, in my opinion. I've been calling for a bit of a dead cat bounce here, and that's exactly what we're seeing. So I think there is a high potential that we will fail to break that high, and then we'll roll over and we'll see continuation to the downside, just as we did right here. Beautiful dead cat bounce, continuation to the downside, and come back down to about 1294. But if we do break that previous high, and what you would have to be looking at is this is a wave 1, wave 2, there's a wave 3, wave 4, you're going to push up in a 5, which is of course a possibility. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. Load shedding just kicked in. So I'm going to wrap up this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.